Having trouble accessing Apollo Group TV? Let's explore how to quickly restore your viewing with Cash App. Start by ensuring sufficient funds in your Cash App. Press Add Cash, specify the subscription cost, and tap Add. Access the Apollo Group TV site on your computer or phone and log in. Find your subscription or account settings. Search for options beyond credit card payments. There may be another payment method choice, or tap Contact Support. If you chose Contact Support, start a chat or write an email saying you wish to pay your fee through Cash App. They will probably give you a Cash App username or $cash tag for payment. Go to Cash App and put in the $cash tag that the Apollo Group TV service provided. Put in how much the service is, write Apollo TV subscription payment, and hit Pay. After you send payment, tell Apollo Group TV support through chat or email. Give them a screenshot of the Cash App payment for proof. After they see it, your Apollo Group TV should work again fast. Enjoy.